happening in Solana. So we'll start with some cube tech. Looks like my stream might be working. Make sure it's muted. Let's listen to some AI Solana music. Boom. Okay, so want to review various Solana tools reviews. Look at this True Critic business. Look, catch up on Slap City, SPL 404. Everyone's talking about it. Even some of these are 404s. And Cube Tech. Let's just start with Cube Tech. I've been lazy, and I've actually not read the light paper, so we'll take some notes. Yep, but our mission is to inspire confidence in crypto. One trade, one user, one innovation at a time. So I don't like to read words on websites because I'm lazy. So what we'll do is we'll go right here. We'll go right here. And then at the same time, since we're always multitasking, we'll come over here into UDO. We'll go here. We'll create a brand new song. We'll do auto-generated. No, we'll do custom lyrics. Use our lyrics. Make it the highest quality. Pop the lyrics in. We're going to do 2 minutes here. And we're doing 70s soft rock today. Boom. There we go. So we got a song being generated. We got text right here. Let's dive in. Introduction. Fewer trade-offs, more trades. Not a bad slogan. Catchy slogan. Inspire confidence in crypto. One trade, one user, one innovation at a time. Cube Exchange believes traders seek an exchange where they can confidently find security, transparency, and speed. So they're kind of saying here that these are the three categories we want: security, transparency, and speed. Maybe. What traders want. Now, traders want one thing, okay? I'll say, not these things. What we think traders want, what traders actually want. Come on, can you guess it? Money. Come on now. Okay, so we provide these key factors using a revolutionary fusion of the best from traditional finance and blockchain. When opting for more traditionally structured Web 2 platforms, traders find themselves surrendering custody of their digital assets to the exchange in return for higher liquidity, speed, precision, and matchmaking. That is true. So that is one concept that, right, we surrender custody in exchange for these things, right? The old way. Yeah. Oh, that's smooth. The old way. This handoff of control of digital assets to an exchange represents a severe drawback, with traders concerned about proper exchange security measures and lack of transparency around asset reserves. These concerns often are why traders prioritize self-custody of digital assets and venture into the Web3 realm. Now, with Web3 trading platforms, traders face another set of risks arising from the regulatory flux and uncertainty around decentralized finance. You're telling me. These Web3 platforms often have less user-friendly interfaces, limited liquidity, or added trader responsibilities, such as securely managing their private keys for self-custody. Is that something we are okay with? I think that should be something we are okay with, but maybe we're not. Okay, so in addition, Web 2 and Web 3 structured ecosystems have been plagued by bad actors and bad decision-making, dramatically damaging user trust in the crypto ecosystem. Thus far, rug pulls, hacks, reckless speculation, high-level corruption, and acting outside of the bounds have been commonplace. Yeah, that's true. If it's facts that you seek, look, we got some new songs coming, don't worry. Now, by combining deep roots in traditional finance with cutting-edge Web3 innovations, Cube.Exchange offers the most... offers the advanced trading platform that traders have been seeking. At Cube Exchange, traders can find regulatory compliant platform. Okay. Solana. Traders are no longer required to compromise between asset security and institutionalized trading experience. Synthesis of innovative blockchain technology. Okay, great. Okay, great. And the song just ends just like that, because welcome to AI here, because these songs aren't fully finished here, okay? But here, we'll put a little pause. While we're waiting for these new songs, we'll listen to a human music. Ugh, gross. Gross. Okay, back to business. Let's go over the overview. Also, this site is like, it's a dark site. Is that why it doesn't look exactly right? We took the core crypto value proposition of non-custodial wallets and the lessons from the dramatic failures of past exchanges. We combined them with the knowledge from traditional finance markets to create an advanced solution for mitigating current systemic risks with both Web 2 and Web 3 trading platforms. Whether you're a seasoned trader, a retail enthusiast, or an institution navigating the digital asset revolution, Cube is tailored to meet your priorities and needs. Here you can pursue your desired trading objective. What's up, Rocky? How are you? You can pursue your desired trading objectives without giving up control of your digital assets and compromising an essential aspect such as speed. So I got it. Give me more features here, okay? Trying to do a little research live. You know, I've never read the Cube white paper. I got to catch up on things, okay? I got to sit here and read things, so might as well do it live. Fuck it, we'll do it live. Our pioneering technology is engineered to protect users from bankruptcy or insolvency resulting from misappropriation, rehypothecation. Yeah, I know what that word means. Banks, brokers, or individuals use collateral that they do not own to help finance assets. That is sick, dude. That sounds sick. I want to get into that. Cool new words. See, I am not a finance guy. Ensuring your funds cannot be commingled with anyone else's. Wait, I thought that's good. You want to be friends. Your money should be friends with other money, right? Including those owned by Cube Exchange. This comprehensive protection against external security breaches and internal vulnerabilities is made possible through multi-party computation vaults that keep user funds within their own control and ownership. A Guardian network of trusted third parties verifies the legitimacy of the non-standard withdrawal request and validates the proper settlement of all assets. Okay, great. So this is kind of one of the powers, I guess, that they're bragging about. So let's just take this and remember, I don't have the ability to understand words unless I like retype them inside of NeoVim. Okay, so like, how do you? The question is right. Is how do you protect against security breaches and internal vulnerabilities? Right? How do you do this? It doesn't seem possible. Whoops, what am I doing? I don't know why, but things in bullet points make them stick in my head, okay? So this is a question. Q. The answer is multi-party computation vaults. So, and what these do is they keep the user funds within the control of their control and ownership. And then a Guardian network of trusted third parties verifies, well, we're gonna hack the third parties, and then we're in. A Guardian network of trusted third parties verifies legitimacy of non-standard withdrawal request. So then what does non-standard mean? What does... Yeah, what does that mean? Question marks. Invalidates the proper net settlement of all assets. Straightforward terms. Cube Exchange does not touch and cannot unilaterally move your assets. Okay, great. Great. Let's keep learning. Light paper. God, this thing is long. No, I'm joking. It's not long. All right, powered by the best-in-class technology. What do you, when you say powered by the best-in-class technology, what is this technology? What does that mean? What is this? What does that mean? That sounds like you bought a service that's already being used. You know what I mean? Or you can't say you built the best technology without... okay. Powered by the best in-class technology that protects users from founder risk, Cube Exchange ensures your digital assets are under your control while matching the performance of TradFi, introducing a comprehensive trader-focused UI into the exchange itself. We're also going to look at Cube.exchanges. So what language? What are we lurking here? How do we get hired here? What does it all mean? Exactly, VGF. What does it all mean? I always like to look at... God damn it, dude. Oh, my God. Seriously, I do not have a LinkedIn. I will never have a LinkedIn, so I can't know. I got to get a burner LinkedIn. I do not want to make a burner LinkedIn to find out what they're hiring for. Very annoying. Very annoying here. Very annoying here. So if anyone has a LinkedIn, they want to tell me, what are the languages they're using here? Yeah, just a big old tracking thing here. Okay, so question, what roles are they hiring for? What's their engineering stack here? Sup. What's up? Doing a little Cube.exchange research, trying to figure out what the heck. I don't even know. Is Cube.exchange cool? I don't know. And then we're going to look at other stuff too. The list kind of is Cube.exchange, True Critic, Slap City. Try and catch up on SPL 404 stuff more. You know, I'm behind. If you guys got anything that's particularly interesting, hand it my way. Particularly like large chunks of text that you don't want to read. I will read and figure out. You know what I mean? So, okay, so, but I got to get a LinkedIn. I don't want a LinkedIn. I'm not getting a LinkedIn. I have recruiters reach out to me and they're like, I found you on LinkedIn. I'm like, I don't have a LinkedIn. Gotcha. Okay, our design combines key elements of older exchanges that traders desire. Key elements of older exchanges. What are these key elements? So what are the key elements? In particular, the accessibility and efficiency of Web 2 structured venues and the user self-determination of Web 3 platforms. God, see, sometimes I struggle when I read sentences like that. So question, what are the, in quotes, key elements that traders desire? You know, what are you talking about? And so the accessibility of the efficiency of Web 2 structured venues. What does that exactly mean? When they're referring to venues here, is that, what are venues? I don't know. And the use of self-determination of Web3 platforms. I understand that. This is accomplished by a separation of concerns. Oh my God, we're programmers, guys. Separation of concerns. I actually heard that if you separation of concerns, it's not cool anymore. It's over. Okay, look at how people do all their coding these days. Okay, we've got SQL inside of our HTML. The concerns are no longer separated. An exchange layer facilitates trading. A settlement layer processes the resulting settlements. Ultimately, yeah, cool. That's great. Cool, great. So let's see how the tech is set up, right? It's a separation of concerns. What are those two concerns? We've got two of them, okay? One for trading, one for settlement. Yeah, isn't that everyone, or is that not how people have been building? That scares me. Now, when you say separation of concerns, what are these separations? Are you saying these are different microservices? These are different apps that talk to each other and have separate auth? Like, how are they separated? How are the concerns separated, you know, concretely? I don't know. All right, spare your speed. The exchange uses best-in-class Web 2. Best-in-class. Stop saying best-in-class Web 2 technology. It triggers me. You can't just say these things. You have to tell me what it is, and then we can actually look at it. You can't just say it's the best. There's no such thing as best in tech. There's only things for certain situations that are the best. And those situations could change. Because programs and users are moving creatures. Things are never static, especially in any sort of PvP trading environment, you know? Okay, so the exchange layer uses best-in-class Web 2 technology for its central matching engine, programmatic market connectivity, web UIs, account management recovery, KYC, AML processes, multi-chain support, and other crucial front-end features. Oh my God, they're saying we use best-in-class technology. We use React. No. We use HTMX. If they used HTMX, I'd be very bullish. Oh man, I'd be investing everything, but no. Okay, so here's what they use their best-in-class technology for. Ooh, that sounds good. Web 2 tech. And then let's actually... yeah, that sounds good. After this, we'll go check our little Solana song we generated. Maybe generate another one. Okay, so these are the things Web 2 tech they use. Right, central matching engine, program market connectivity, web UI. Okay. It's a little generic. Other crucial, like what? Tell me. Well, it's a light paper, okay? You're not supposed to know everything. Our design balance, also make sure I save this song. It is good. Our design balances developer and trader ergonomics with a focus on the latency and performance to develop a first-in-class trading experience that tests 40x faster than the industry standard, giving users confidence that orders will be filled under a millisecond. Under a millisecond. Whereas we got Binance at 5, Coinbase at 2, and then we got DYDX at 750. Damn, losers. So what they're trying to show here is, look at, there is someone who does non-custodial trading here, right? The DYDX. having things non-custodial. So, okay, you're fast. Cool. Enhanced safety. The net settlement calculation of the Cube Exchange will be independently validated by the Guardian Network and then settles the net transfer of funds. The Guardian Network. The Guardian Network. You know, it's a good thing when you search the Guardian Network here and it just says login, no information is available. This is good. Top SEO with nothing saying on top of it. That's fire. I love that. This is sick. This is the best website I've ever seen here. This is sick here. I don't think this is it, but this is sick. We got to log in through Okta. How are they top of SEO? What? What? There we go. Let's see. Now we're over on Wormhole. The Guardian Network is designed to serve as Wormhole's Oracle component. The entire Wormhole ecosystem is founded on the technical underpinnings. And now the rabbit hole begins. But look at this. You got to work on your SEO. You're getting beat out to this. You know what I mean? Let's take a look at this page source right here. Uh-oh. Look what we found. What the heck is this? The heck is this? Yeah, some scary stuff here. You got to be careful. This Guardian Alliance. Background investigation solutions here. Oh, boy. Okay, we're going to try and hack that later. Okay, we got Guardian Network. What is the Guardian Network? Dude, we're getting... The songs are good. I'm going to pause. Let's go listen to our smooth... We should have 2 more. So let's listen to Solana Shore. Now we'll do Waves of Innovation. This sounds like it might be smooth. That's what I'm hoping for. Okay. Quick little detour to read about Guardians. Wormhole relies on a set of distributed nodes which monitor state on several blockchains. In Wormhole, these nodes are referred to as Guardians. The current Guardians set can be seen in the dashboard. If the Guardians roll to observe messages and sign the corresponding payloads, each Guardian performs this step in isolation, later combining the resulting signatures with other Guardians as a final step. The resulting collection of independent observations form a multisig, which represents a proof that a state has been observed and agreed upon by a majority of the Wormhole network. These multisigs are referred to as VAs, VAAs in Wormhole. So catchy, so easy. Okay, not the best voice. Not the best voice.
More trades.
He's trying. He's trying.
Our mission is to inspire confidence in crypto.
This is a bad voice.
One trade, one user, and one innovation at a time.
This is one of the worst voices I've got in a while, but it's kind of funny. All right, cool. Section called surveys. Who uses blank? I want to talk to you. Oh, I know why. It's because I put in the section I'm on audio. So
Exchange believes traders seek an exchange where they can confidently find security.
And it doesn't have any, like, it doesn't look like a traditional song, and it's not rhyming. It struggles to make it more song-like. I could have used Jibbity or something to transfer it more song-like. So I bet you the other one will be bad too.
We provide these key factors using a revolutionary fusion of the best from traditional finance and blockchain.
All right, the Guardian Network is designed to serve as Wormhole's Oracle component, and the entire Wormhole ecosystem is founded on its technical underpinnings. It is the most critical element of the Wormhole ecosystem and represents the single most important component to learn about if you want a deep understanding of Wormhole. See, now we're on Wormhole. To understand not just how the Guardian Network works, but why it works the way it does, let's first take a step back and go over the key design considerations. Okay, so do I want to do a full Wormhole read all this right here? No, not really. I understand what it's for. We got it, okay? We'll put that on a to-do later. Later research. Wormhole. Okay, let's take this song right here. Let's create a new song here, and we'll say auto-generated lyrics, and we'll say catchy about falling into a crypto wormhole. Done. Back to here. Okay, so we're on enhanced safety. The net settlement calculation of Cube Exchange will be independently validated by the Guardian Network and then settles the net transfer of funds. Okay. All right. Let's see where it's going. Trades are settled on-chain and using secure multi-party computation known as MPC. Cube Exchange.
Introduction, fewer trade-offs.
Wow. See, it's talking. See?
More trades. Our mission is to inspire.
All right, that's not good enough.
Crypto.
Not good enough. We'll go to here. I can't read with that. Okay, the use of MPC technology enables non-custodial ownership of funds in a user's MPC vault and protects user assets from the exchange bankruptcy, misuse, or bank run issues that many exchanges have faced in the past. Users will be able to withdraw assets at any time from their MPC vaults because the assets will be owned and controlled by them and subject to the settlement of ongoing orders. That's good. We like that. That's cool. Similarly, to withdraw funds, you have to authenticate yourself, select the assets and destination address, and submit the withdrawal order, which is validated and published to the settlement layers. Is this a mistake here in the light paper? Do they need to correct this? Should we tell them? Look at this little extra dot here. Is that on purpose? It's not bad. Diving into blocks now. Smooth like the ocean's current. Fast. Okay, to interact with Cube Exchange, you first need to sign in. What's up, Solar Rogue? You first need to sign in with the OAuth provider. We currently support Google and Apple, but we'll extend the list based on user feedback. After signing Cube Exchange, we'll create a Cube client account for you. It's back. I'm back. I did start doing some more streaming. You know, this camera sucks right now because my other camera's at the studio and it wasn't working on this computer, and I just said, fuck it. Who cares? I'm just going to do it on the shitty camera, okay? You know, who cares? You guys don't even need to see me, so... More streams. Gonna do my research on a stream from now on. Not all of it, but most of it is the idea. So today, Solana. Art coming soon. Bitcoin coming soon. Okay. We are not providing a standard email password authentication. Using an OAuth allows Cube Exchange to minimize the amount of sensitive information managed by the platform. Like it, like it. Oh, thank you, thank you. Missed hanging out with the chat. Miss learning. You learn so much faster when you actually got people who are, you know, researching with you and helping along. Plus, oh, listen to that. It's pretty good. See, it's pretty nice. Plus, we got AI music now. Okay, it's great. Okay. I don't like this section, though. We don't like that. Rhythm of the blockchain. Once you create your Cube client and you initiate a distributed key generation to securely generate the private key material that constitutes ownership of your MPC vault. Oh, sorry. I read that in the wrong tone, okay? Once you create a Cube account client, you're initiating a distributed key generation to securely generate the private key material. Yeah, this is AI. I made this right now. Solo Rogue, we're making all these songs right now, so we got 2 more coming right now. Pretty good, though, right? Pretty good, right? Here, oh, here's the new one. We just made this one right now. I think you're going to love it. This is the future of the world. Just make music about whatever you're doing all the time. It follows you around. Okay. This allows the common derivation of one or more segregated non-custodial digital wallets for each native blockchain. Whoo boy. Whoo boy. That's one of those sentences you say. Yeah, isn't it pretty good? Listen to this. See,
this allows the derivation of one or more segregated non-custodial digital wallets for each native blockchain.
Like, okay, cool. What does that mean?
Introduction.
Oh, no, this is the bad one.
Trade-offs.
Sorry, this is the bad one.
More trades.
See, this one, the lyrics aren't good. But when these ones are done, blockchain blues.
Our mission is to inspire confidence in crypto.
See, this is not a good one.
One trade, one user, and one
these ones will be done in
innovation
a
at
second.
a time.
This one makes me laugh because it's kind of bad. Okay, so if you have a BTC MPC wallet, an ETH MPC wallet, and the Sol MPC wallet, all within your MPC vault, the distributed key generation process involves you, the user, Cube Exchange, and an independent network of trusted third parties, the Guardians, which we just learned about. You will receive a PDF document containing your share of the distributed key material, protected by 2 of 3 signature threshold. The distributed key material helps ensure your funds are safe as it shares or stored to store settlements on here. What's up, Recycle Bin? How are you?
Transparency.
Boom, here we go. We got a new one. Let's see if this one's good. Okay, let's see. Boom. You will receive a PDF document containing your share of distribution. We got that, okay. Okay, our MPC Vault design aligns perfectly with our mission statement about inspiring confidence. You can be confident that you can own and control your own digital assets with your MPC Vault. We are determined. They don't like putting spaces after these things here. Is that okay? Look, at a lot of times there's just a dot and a. Is that okay? I don't know. We also determined to make our non-custodial MPC Vault 0 fee to all and not require users to trade on Cube Exchange to access and use their vault. This advances their philosophy of technology innovation, that you empowerment, financial freedom. Okay, great. Cool.
I hate to see my balance going down.
There we go.
I hate to see my balance going down because my crypto's lost deep in that sound.
Okay, once you finish setting up your MPC Vault, to fully interact with the exchange, you need to be cleared by Cube's KYC AML onboarding diligence process. That's rough. You will not be permitted to deposit any digital assets in your MPC Vault and trade until you've completed this. Once the onboarding diligence is successfully completed, your Cube client account is fully active. You may then deposit digital assets in your vault and access the traditional features like order submission, API keys, etc. Okay. Okay. Downside for many. Wow, they're really holding that note out.
I've got the blockchain blues, as digital as can be. That data's gotta pull like a tide in the sea, or else
many will not like that.
So tight on me.
See, they're trying to get those Steely Dan harmonies. Ooh, nice little guitar.
Like a schoolboy loves the
KYC, exactly.
like
who wants that?
Waves up high.
Okay, once you've created your MPC Vault, your public addresses on each native blockchain are known. To trade on Cube Exchange, you first must authenticate yourself, select the market of interest, create a new order, submit it to the central matching engine to create a new order. Oh, it's not bad. Oh, all right, here's another one. You must first transfer digital assets to the respective MPC wallet. The new order is checked for various parameters, including position limits and other protections. As soon as your order has been matched to the central limit book, the bona fide match transaction result is published to the settlement later, known as CubeNet. Meta L2 blockchain. Jeez. Meta.
Blurry visions and tokens surround. I heard the buzz, felt the electricity.
What is a? I mean, I can guess.
Getting lost in the blockchain sound.
Cube Exchange immediately reflects the result of the matching and does not wait for the settlement to complete. Similarly to withdrawal funds, you have to authenticate yourself, select the asset and destination. Great.
Pulled to another space in another time. Coins and ledgers all
Let's see. Catchy about, what do we want a song about? Catchy about losing all your money to shit coins. There we go. We'll probably play some regular normal music after this.
On a midnight ship.
Okay.
Charts on my screen, following the tip.
Charts on my screen.
Diving into the unknown trip.
Okay, these lyrics are now too distracting, but that's pretty funny. Back to this. There we go. Okay, on a chain-specific basis, the settlement layer calculates the net settlements resulting from all or some or all of the trades and withdrawal orders in the prior period. Cube Exchange is actively developing advanced settlement criteria to increase settlement speed, including factors such as block time, fee pricing, outstanding net deltas, etc. As soon as the Guardians confirm the calculation by Cube Exchange, a threshold signature scheme, a TSS, is initiated over the participating wallets to transfer the funds directly between users' wallets appropriate to the net settlement and chains. Once the transaction signatures shared are completed, the settlement layer submits the transactions to the blockchain. Retries may be necessary for some blockchains depending on fee price fluctuations and a block-by-block load. If you wish to accelerate this periodic settlement, you can easily do so at the cost of paying the underlying blockchain fees directly. There does seem to be this weird, like, where you're like, if it's so focused on, hey, we got this non-custodial aspect, the fact that you have to KYC makes it, like, kind of rough, even though I get they're saying, like, hey, we're trying to prevent scams, so that will help that, but non-custodial KYC, non-custodial KYC, I don't know. Okay, non-response to client requests. Cube Exchange will roll out a novel withdrawal process that will not require action by Cube.Exchange to execute. If the settlement layer is not processed the net settlement in 48 hours, the Guardians may independently support the user in transferring funds out of their MPC wallet. This will require the user to provide their key share Guardians as well, depending on the reason for the settlement halting. All the users' settled match trades may be considered busted, which means the matches will be unwound. Non-responsiveness may occur during force majeure events such as natural disasters, or in the case of a user account being frozen by Cube Exchange. What? Force majeure. Force majeure. Acts of God. Force majeure. Cool. I didn't know that. Well, see, I don't... Yeah, I'm a little confused about what that means. I think that actually is good. I think you might like that, Solo Rogue. So it's saying, okay, non-response to client requests. Yeah, I don't fully understand. So let's just do this. Here we go. Understanding. There we go. I don't know. Novel withdrawal technique. I gotta just pull it in. I gotta pull the notes in. Okay. So we have a novel withdrawal process, not require action by Cube.exchange to execute. So if the settlement layer has not processed a net settlement in 48 hours, the Guardians may independently support the user in transferring funds out of their MPC vault. That's a good thing. We like that. This will require the user to provide their key share to the Guardians as well. So that could be a downside potentially. Now, depending on the reason, all of the unsettled match trades may be considered busted. So you might like be doing something, you're saying, fuck, I don't want to make all those trades. I'm taking my money out of this. I don't care. Now, which means the matches are unwound. I got that. Now, non-responsiveness may occur during force majeure events such as natural disasters or in the case of the user's account. I don't understand that. I don't understand. Well, I guess let's just read the account being frozen. So this is the sentence that confuses me. What does this mean? Back to business. Freezing time. Freezing time. Yeah. Okay. Now, it may restrict the withdrawal function for a Cube client account at any time in the event of identified illicit activity such as sanctions, violations, exposure to high-risk wallets. What does that mean? Exposure to wallets previously identified to belonging to terrorist financing. Sheesh. Whenever it finds that the activity may be above the platform's risk tolerance. Ooh, boy. That's scary. That's a little scary. But wait, I'm confused. I think they're saying that, hey, you can still get your stuff out in that case. That's like the point. Like they'll freeze you, but you can take your stuff off. I don't fully understand. Yeah, so but yeah, scary stuff a little bit. What does exposure to high risk wallets mean? Okay. Now, if it's limited or restricted, they may not create new orders. That's fine, including withdrawal orders, and all their pending orders will be canceled. Cube Exchange will not publish to the Guardians the grounds for limiting restricting a Cube account client. The Guardians will not act on withdrawal orders from the user as well. This would result in the user having its assets frozen in their MPC vault, which is the desired outcome from a regulator's perspective for allowing transactions that are illicit or of other high-risk nature. The users whose activity is limited restricted would be able to appeal to the relevant authorities to have their restrictions lifted. Just as with the safe deposit box of the bank, the user maintains full ownership of their assets within their MPC vault. What? So it's like... So it would be frozen, but not in control of Cube.exchange. You'd have to appeal to the Guardians? Dude, that's a good song too. Scary. Scary. Recovery of a lost key share for an NPC wallet. Cube Exchange aims to provide a mechanism for the recovery of... Jesus Christ, this is all scary to me. Yeah. Key recovery. Okay, let's see. When the feature's ready, so it's not ready. Users must report that their key is stolen. How can they have it? Which would require additional verification outside the normal authentication process. For example, KYC documents. Scary. If the key share, well, that's you could steal someone's identity and potentially get their key too, though. That is scary to me too. If the key share was stolen, Cube Exchange will immediately publish this information to the Guardians. They do not have to process any transactions involving the affected MPC wallets. To reconfirm their identity, users are required to undergo an identification process, like the one used in onboarding. As a result of this process, which includes ID verification, Cube Exchange will publish the results to the Guardians and the user. Assuming a positive verification, in the case of a lost key share, a new key will be generated. In the case of a stolen, a new NPC wallet will be created and new key shares will be distributed to users. Cube Exchange and the Guardians. Finally, the user's digital assets will be moved from the prior to the new one. So the question is, could someone potentially steal someone's identity and then get a new key generated? You know? Yeah, they said that Solo Rogue. Remember, they only want to do, third-party OAuth because it's less risk on them. And they're not storing passwords and stuff. You know what I mean? But yeah. And then get a new key generated to steal that person's assets. Is that possible? Feels like it might be. Feels like it might be. All right, let's check out one of our new songs here, okay? My creations. This is going to be good. Oh, these are extensions. I think I fucked up and I extended the last song. I did. Oh, whoops. That's okay. Auto-generated. Catchy about KYCing and losing your wife. There we go. This is not bad, though. This song's way better, though. Okay. All right, we got the Guardians. Jeez. Oh, man. I'm going to try and do this. Finish this. Here we go. Trusted third party serving as the independent verification and trust mechanism in the risks of fraudulent or incorrect transactions while bearing limited liability. They are involved in Cube Exchange and transaction authorization process, but prevents any single entity, including the exchange itself, from unilaterally manipulating or misusing user funds. This multi-party involvement helps maintain a transparent and accountable process, reinforcing the platform's integrity. Adding an extra layer of protection, the Guardians facilitate direct communication and withdrawals in the case of exchange failure. This proactive measure mitigates the risk of financial loss or lockup. Cube believes it important to prioritize well-established and trusted entities within the blockchain or financial industry with a proven track record of reliability and security to fulfill the Guardian role. So potential Guardian candidates include validators and validators as a service with a strong reputation within the industry and a history of operating nodes, participating in consensus mechanisms, and ensuring the integrity of the blockchain network. Well-established technology companies with an expertise in blockchain technology, cybersecurity, and infrastructure. Trusted finance institutions such as banks or investment firms with robust security measures in place, accustomed to safeguarding customer funds and maintaining regulatory compliance. Deeply engaged and reputable Cube community representatives select through a transparent voting and nomination process. Interesting. Now, what do you get? Guardian fees. Not bad. Ooh, that's smooth. That is smooth. That is smooth. All right, so you get the Guardian fees, right? Reputation prestige. It enhances the reputation and prestige of the participating entity or the individual as being recognized as a trusted guardian. Is a reputable blockchain platform like Cube Exchange attracts attention and credibility within the blockchain and financial institutions. This reputation boost can lead to additional business opportunities and partnership and industry recognition. Yeah, you're trying to get my compute, man. You're trying to get my computer. You want me to run. Let's see. Acting as Guardian offers networking opportunities and business development prospects, interacting with other participants in the Cube ecosystem, such as Guardians. I know. Okay, great. Align with core principles. Becoming a Guardian allows entities or individuals to actively participate in promoting and upholding the core principles and values. Okay, great. Okay, a Cube Exchange gives you the ability to effortlessly connect to the exchange and craft tailored tools on top of it. We got depth and chart chaining, equalizers, concise. We got the Genesis story. We've got these things. Okay, cool. I got a general idea. Okay, learned a lot. I'm more knowledgeable here, okay? I learned force majeure. That's the most important thing I learned today. Let's look at something stupid then. Well, maybe it's not stupid, but it's just something I don't know what is yet. And it's not going to be reading, hopefully, a light paper. Slap City. It's already came out, was already popular and exciting. Why? I'm way behind. Slap City's dildo party. Wow. Slap. Wow, I'm gonna get kicked off. Dickie's downright debauchery in the pursuit of the divine dream catcher. Okay. Okay. Okay, I can buy on Sniper if I want. Okay. 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 Now, this is the first 404 game. And the 404 game is called that. Where's the tweet that explains me what it does? It's like Carl. Okay. The Riz game slapping MFers. Just teach me how it works, man. Just teach me how it works. We got a pre-sale. Meme chain yet? Nah. Give me a link. So this is their... We got a cast. Oh, look at... Oh, wow, it's a star-studded cast here. Look at this. They got murder. Damn. I made it as a cartoon. Meme chain GG. There we go. Memes and instant tradable with a 0 liquidity. Seeding required here. Love meme chain. Bullish on schizo devs. The hustle is real. New nodes to lower down the TAM. Engagement is poor. Maybe we should wait till tomorrow. They're tweeting. They're tweeting right now here. I confirm that I'm a citizen of Afghanistan. Okay. Benin, China, Crimea, Cuba, Iran, Syria, USA, Vatican City. Okay, great. Oh, really? This is only on Slurf? That's funny. Anti-Jeep mechanics. That's interesting. There's our boy Slurf. Create your meme coins with a few clicks, no coding or liquidity. I will say this is looking at Pump.fun. I can get kicked off a streaming platform so fast because it's getting nasty in there. So this is what Slurf is trying to go after then? This is how Slurf's going to stay alive? Yeah. Who's using it? Find me someone. Meme chain. Meme chain. Where is a thing that teaches me what Slap City is? I just want a doc. I'm the annoying boomer who wants light papers and white papers to explain just how things work. Okay, I'm just gonna ask people then. It's okay. That's fine. Alright, I'll check out True Critic real fast. Oh yeah, where can I read about these anti-Jeep mechanics? Maybe I'll just go down a little bit deeper on this thing. They're just tweeting a lot. All right, this came out. Let's see. Chan goes live. Also, what are we listening to? Okay, here we go. Let's listen to this. This is called Lost in the Tides. This is guaranteed to be a hit. Oh, yeah, this is guaranteed to be a hit.
All right.
Ooh. We did a study. Yeah. Thank you. That'd be helpful, yeah. That'd be helpful. Okay. So many posts, and none of them are telling me what it does. But
waves keep on rolling.
All right, I'm
under cloudy skies.
checking DMs. All right, here we go. There we go.
Waves keep on rolling.
Game-changing vesting system. If a coin hits radium, there's a 1-day lock and then a 7-day unlock period with staking rewards. This is anti-sniper, anti-cheat tech, makes more profitable and keeps bots at bay. They raised 5.5 for their own token, offering free fee-sharing rewards for stakers. Interesting. And the first one they got is this Spiets. Okay, so does the PAPS token have utility? Yes, you're getting airdrop next week for everyone participating. Okay, cool. So we're locking stuff up. We're gonna have embarrassing tokens in our wallet for longer, and that lockup's is gonna save us.
Since you left my life now, can't tell day from night.
Anti-sniper, anti-cheat technology. So if a coin hits radium, there's a 1-day lock and a 7-day unlock period with staking rewards. Okay. All right. Do you want to lock stuff up? I thought every time you lock a coin up, it goes to 0. Every time I lock something up and can't touch it, it crashes. But you got these, what is all slurf based?
I am, she is, we are, she is, we are. Lost in these tides. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
All right, here we go. We got another one. Professor Skelly. Thank you, Professor Skelly, for giving me some info. Professor Skelly, the same post. Hey, same post. Thank you. I beat you by a second. Sorry, Solo Road. Gotcha. I beat you by 1 second, but thank you. Okay, so quick rundown on the meme chan. What is meme chan?
I did the check. Fishing on the shore.
Okay, cool. I'm done. We'll play a little bit of. We'll play one of the new songs we like. Let's play this one. Beat you by 1 second. I love this song though. Where are you at, Skelly? Okay. Pump.fun competitor. It's fresh. 1 hour cooldown for trading, so no flip-floppers. 1 hour cooldown for trading. Slurf is the main LP token. 4,000 tokens of Slurf need to go into the token before it goes to Radium. For the structure, it's a % of liquidity rewards once it's on Radium. If it doesn't hit Radium, it's essentially fee-free. Same fee to create 0.002 SOL to create a token. Similar UI. Launched today. 1 billion tokens for each coin launched. Same as Pump. Tokens can't be sniped due to its being new, so snipers haven't found out. And using Slurf as the LP kind of messes with bots. Also, there's vesting, so keep reading. Okay, so the main difference is this. Vesting. Let's say a coin bounds and it's Radium. Your tokens will have a 1-day lock period where no one can sell. Those who bought on the site, this is the state-of-the-art anti-cheat tech. So there's a 7-day token unlock period. The 7-day period starts after the first 24 hours, and each day you can unlock a % of the tokens. Your tokens are staked during this time, and you earn fees on the LP. However, you can decide to keep it staked and not sell and earn a portion of LP rewards, proportion LP rewards. Once unstaked, you cannot restake. Once you unstake, the remaining people get the staking rewards. Ooh. Meme Chain is also going to do its own token, and it raised 5.5 mil for it. If you stake the token, get a portion of the fees, and if you unstake, you can't restake. Sorry for the spelling errors. Okay, great. Okay, interesting. That actually seems interesting. We'll see. So we got to see if people move over here. Does it have different memes than Pump.fun? I don't know. Is this just more degeneracy on degeneracy? Maybe. You need 40,000 Slurf tokens to get into the bonding. Okay, they really made the base token Slurf and not Soul. So yeah, that's a little criticism. Yeah, kind of fucks the UI a bit, but I guess they're diehard Slurf fans. I saw this. I'm not sure if it'll work how people expect it, though. We know people in Web3 are impatient and want profit, but also Pump.fun could just take these same mechanics and bring it over to their world if they wanted to. You know what I mean? You get better entry, I suppose. Not using Soul for the pool is bearish. A lot of people are saying that. So even if everyone rug pulls, you still earn all the fees on those transactions if you hodl. That's interesting. Slurf is the LP token. This shit is DOA, dead on arrival. Using Slurf as base tokens are remarkable. So it seems like people are a little bearish on the Slurf LP portion here. But not bad, not bad. Okay, interesting. We're going to have to watch how that actually plays out here. Hey, Slurf's got utility, right? I remember when Bonk and no one thought it would have utility, and all of a sudden, boom, Bonk did have utility. It was crazy talk here. You know what I mean? So check it out. It's actually one. I gotta go to a meeting here. This was fun. Did some research. I'll be back for more. And yeah, I don't know. I'll be back for more of these, more research, more all this fun stuff. This was fun. Goodbye, everyone. If you want me to research anything,